Oh my gosh, there's my big brother.
The one and only brother.
How are you, Jason? Haven't seen you in a while.
I'm okay, just been pretty busy with the company.
How is Dad?
He's okay, same old story.
What happened, Jason? You know you can talk to me about anything.
Dad and I fell out a few days ago. He's not talking to me right now.
Let me guess, he's been bugging you about marriage and grandkids.
Oh, how did you guess, Ms. Cleo?
Ha 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 ha, you're so funny, Jason. Oh, I'm sorry, Jason.
No, I'm sorry, Maria, but Dad is really getting on my nerves. He's getting really overwhelming. Sorry I have to come here with my stress.
Don't be silly, Jason. You can come here anytime and let off some steam. I know Dad isn't easy to deal with. I don't have to be Miss Cleo. I know exactly what you're going through. I've been through that and worse. For God's sake, the man I called a father disowned me years ago.
Oh sis, I'm so sorry. Besides the normal argument with Dad about me getting a strong black woman to get married to and grandkids, we also had a heated argument about you.
Me? What about me?
Relax sis, I just mentioned that he has a daughter and grandchildren. Why is he pressuring me? And that's when he blew the pressure off the lid. He said he
have a daughter and grandchildren. You don't have to say it. I know him well. He already said it to my face, in front of my husband and my kids.
I'm so sorry sis, he's so stubborn and close-minded. He still lives in the old slavery days.
Yes, I agree. Do you know when I got married to Nicholas, he said I'm marrying my white master.
Maria, you're my little sister and nothing can ever change that. I love you so much, and you always have me. I'm here for you, whenever you need me.
I know, thank you, Jason. I love you too, and the door is always open for you. You and my kids and husband are my only family, and I can never forget Chloe. She's such an angel. She has become my best friend and sister-in-law.
Well, I'm happy to hear that. You need all the support in the world.
Jason, you're staying for dinner, right? Please.
Of course I am. You make the best meals. Oh, you thought I came because of you? No, I came for your food, sis.
Ha 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 ha, whatever.
Ha 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 ha. Hey, where's Nicholas anyway?
Oh, he's taking a shower and he also wanted to give us space.
Oh, that's pretty cool of him. I really like Nicholas. He's a really good man and hard-working too. His business is blooming. His company is the talk of the town. He's very talented.
Yes, he is. That's my husband and he's a wonderful father too.
So sis, what's for dinner?
Curry chicken and dumplings.
Oh, my favorite. Sis, did I tell you how much I love you?
Ha 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 ha. I love you too, bro. And it so happens that it's Nicholas' favorite too.
Really, that's so cool. Nicholas and I have gotten really close now, but I think we might fight tonight.
Don't worry, bro. I have your back. I made sure that I have every piece of chicken, big and equally the same portions. Oh, and I also made Mom favorite fried chicken.
Oh, thank you, sis.
You're welcome, brother.
You took after Mum in the cooking department. Mum would be so proud of you.
Thank you, Jason.
Maria, I'm not just talking about cooking. I'm talking about Mum will be so proud of you. You've grown up to be a wonderful young woman, great mother, great wife, and you're standing up for what is right, no matter how hard. Maria, I'm so proud of you also, and I know Mum is smiling down from heaven.
Oh, thank Jason. Mom would be so proud of you too. You did great for yourself too. You made the family business into a successful one. I'm also proud of you, brother.
Thank you, sis. I know if Mum was here, this situation with Dad wouldn't exist. Mum could diffuse any situation. She was a real peacemaker. I miss her so much.
Me too. I really wish Mum was here, but I know she's with us in spirit, and we always have each other. She lives through us. She's a part of us.
You're so right, sis. I love you so much, Maria.
I love you too, Jason, my big brother. Oh, let me go. Check on Nicholas. I'll be back, Jason.
Okay, sis.
Oh, before I go, Chloe will be joining us for dinner. I'm so excited. You never met her before. She's a really beautiful and kind-hearted young woman. I think you'll both really get along. Oh, and she's single.
Maria, are you playing matchmaker?
Maybe.
Ha 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 ha, go get your husband, I'm starving.
I'll be back soon.
Maria, Nicholas, I hope that's you. I can't wait to sink my teeth into some fried chicken.
Me too, I'm pretty hungry.
Oh hi.
Oh my, sorry I startled you. I'm Chloe, Nicholas' sister.
I'm Jason, Maria's big brother. Nice to meet you, Chloe. Maria can't stop talking about you.
Nice to meet you too, Jason.
So Maria said that you came off a flight today. Where were you?
Europe, I'm an artist. I have one of my art gallery there and one here in Milan, Italy.
Wow, that's really amazing.
Thank you, you're welcome to visit anytime.
Thanks, Chloe. I'm a real art lover. What kind of arts do you do?
Oh, I'm into painting, like abstract and pieces that tell stories on past history, and landscaping.
That's beautiful. Well, whenever you have time, you can show me around your art gallery.
It will be my pleasure. How about tomorrow? I have to go in there and check out things. Will that be okay for you?
Oh, let me check my schedule quickly.
Sure.
Okay, Yes, I'll be free all day tomorrow.
Okay, great. Then tomorrow at 5 in the evening then.
That's perfect.
I came so many times back and forth, and I've never gotten the chance to meet you. Maria said you're always busy. I'm really glad we met this time.
Oh, I'm really glad I met you too. Yeah, I've been pretty busy. I'm always trying to create different software and more features that can help customers be more creative in their own businesses.
Well, that's really amazing. I'm actually one of your customer. You probably can help me with one of the features I don't quite understand. Great, I will really appreciate it.
Anytime. Well, once I can clear my schedule.
Of course I understand. Maybe we should exchange numbers, so we'll be able to keep in touch. Well, you get the idea.
Yeah, sure, here's mine.
And here's mine. Great, we'll keep in touch.
Awesome, yes we will.
Nicholas, oh wow.
Hey sis, you made it, thank God.
Are you kidding? I can't miss Maria's special fried chicken. Right, Jason.
I'm glad you finally met Jason.
Oh, I'm happy to meet Jason. He's an amazing guy, and he's really cute.
Well, I'm glad you approve.
Oh, they're calling us. Let's not have them waiting.
You're right, let's go. Sis, dinner was deliciously amazing, but I really have to go. I have work in the morning.
I know, I just miss you around, that's all. Please don't be a stranger, come around more often.
I miss you too, Maria and my niece and nephew. I promise I'll come around more often.
So what do you think about Chloe?
I think she's really amazing and very interesting and easy to get along with.
Ooh, my brother has a crush.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
Whatever.
Ha 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 ha, you're so funny, Jason.
Glad I can amuse you.
I love you, bro.
I love you too, sis. I'll see you soon.
Reach home safely, and give me a call.
Will do.